The paranormal is real. It is real. The paranormal is real. Is it? The paranormal is real.
Today we go for the 13.2 and 13.3. No, actually 13.1 and 13.2. So the type of a voting system, plurality, is the candidate with the greatest number of number one is the winner. So after number one is the winner. Um, the type possible no candidate to win and when a tie result. So the second type is plurality with the element and elimination. The candidate at the smaller numbers one vote is removed and his or her is number one voter just remain the candidate continue until the tie or the winner a winner. And the third one is border count. Each voting position like number one, number two, etc. Get the weight. Each candidate get the score by multiply in the weight positions by the count of the vote that the positions the highest score win. If not a tie, pair pairwise comparison for each of the row. The comparisons for account for the number of each candidate and before the candidate lost count a winner if it's not tied. So we have of a list of the table. So first, let's learn about the result election might indicate the table called percent tables. So percent table, and for example, we have say like Jim with the J, Alexa with the A, Irene with the I, and Preston with the P. There is 30 club member, and then they ask the Crane or Candy. The result table is the election list of the following. So we have first, so 5, that's for Alexa, 4, that's for Irene, uh, 7 is Alexa, 2 for Jim, P is Preston, and 4 for um, Jim. So how we read the table? So how we did percent table, there is the 5 people who rank from A, P, J, T, and in the order. That is the order. There is the 4 people who rank as I, P, J, A in the order, and so on. When election has many voters present the table and infectiously the way result, the way to report a result. So we can see the first how the first is the plurality method. So when election candidate use the plurality method, each voter votes for only the one candidate or the candidate receive the most vote declare of the winner. With the polarity method, is the percent table does not have to be using candidates are not correct. If uh, propose proportions table um, use the consider only the first place row seen only the candidate vote and consider the important the candidate does not have received the majority more than 50% or the vote to win. So we have so you see this are the tables right here. So we can add this step. We can add all this together. So if we add all that together, this should be is the 30 voter. So we have a 30 voters. So same thing that we have. And the first place for the vote, the first place for the vote is we can see this cells right here. So we have A, I, A, J, P. That is the first place for the voter. So we assume that each club member would vote for his or her first choice, the list of the first place row on the table above. So from the table, we see Alexa receives 5 plus 7 is 12 voters. Irene receives 4 voters. Jim receives 6 voters. So right here, so we can see Irene only 4 voters, and Jim this one and this one. So 2 plus 4 are 6 voters present. Preston. So we have only one place, that's the 8 voters. Alex is the winner, received 12 over 30, so that's been 40%. So we can say in here, um, so we can put in here, so we can have in here, this one is the number one, or the first one, place, vote, A, so for the Alexa, that means 5 plus 7, so that's 12. And Jimmy is 2 plus 4 is 6. And Irene is 4. And Kristen is 8. So as we can see it, so Alexa is the most voted. So we have right here, so um, the Alexa is the winner. So we have 12 over, because that one is 12 voters, 12 over 30. So this one, if 12 divided by 30, we get 0.40 and we multiply by 100. So this one should be 40%. So Alexa votes the winner because she has the 40% for that. Um, she has a 40% for that. So now, so for example, number two. So we can see this. The matrix small values is being chosen elect using polarity method under four candidates par. We get a P in the tau about a reader ahead of the tau for the tau council. Sarah is the superintendent of education and team, the former district attorney. So the register vote cast their um, prof- uh, proposals ballot and results summarize the schedule below. So we can see this. So you see this, how many voters, a total. So we can add this up, all this up, so we can equal for the, if we add all that one up, we equal for 590. Um, so this one, the number of vote. So how many the voter cast refer the ballot? So we know that a 590. So with the 590, and who is the winner by polarity method? So you see this. Um, we can see this. Um, par 220. So this one had 220. Uh, 220. So this one S 150. There is 150. So this one is tight because it's par, that is 220, and then 120, no, 220, and then team is 120 and 100. So 220. So both of them is tight. So tight, no winner, no winner, no winner. So we can see this, or we can list out. So Paul, Tim, and Sarah 150, and Rita, that is 0. So we can see this, um, if any candidate receive the majority would place vote. So it means because 220 divided by 590, so we get 0.37, and then we multiply by 100, so that's 137%. So it means no no candidate receive the first place voters. This means no one to vote it, no one win. And then for the second, so seeing the type, so right now we use the eliminate uh, polarity for elimination. So this is the second method for we can use that. So the method, make sure, so first check for the winner by polarity. So none. If none, then find the candidates who list first at least vote number one, eliminate candidate, and vote for the candidate uh, at odd level. Next, adjust the vote. The candidate eliminate that. One again, check the winner by polarity. If none, then repeat the step two. Keep repeating the step two until who have the winner. So in advantage, polarity. So most of the winner and polarity with elimination. Some one win eventually or ensure the majority. So this advantage, not always the winner. The winner is always the majority or multiple election. So right now, we use example number two. So we use example number two. So for round one, um, as we can see that because Sarah or Rita, she had a zero, so we know that. So for the round one, round one, so Rita has this number of number one vote. So Rita is elimination. Eliminate. So eliminate. And as we can now we still have another four. So par, so 222 team, 222, and is Sarah 150. Let me copy this one. So let me copy this one really quick. So we can see that I can copy this for the easel. So I can place in here. So um, as we know, Rita eliminate. So we know Rita eliminates, right? So Rita. Now we move up. So Rita eliminates. So we have Sarah. We have Sarah. We have a Paul. We have a Kristen. And this one we have a Tim. We have a Paul. And we have a Sarah. And we have a Kristen. So now we move up. And then so we can see this. And being Sarah eliminations again because the Sarah have only 150. So Sarah is elimination. So whenever we see Sarah elimination. So this one we can move up. So this one is Tim, and this one Paul, and Tim and Paul. And then we can see as um, so Tim is 220. So route two. Now we say route two. Route two. Sarah is eliminate. And then as we can see this, so team Paul, we have two right here, the third and the fourth, and uh, oh, Sarah eliminates. So we have no Sarah here. So we can see this the most thing in here, par, right? Par, right? So now we can say, in conclusion, now we say par winner, or for win by plurality, 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 respect plurality, yeah, plurality, plurality, plurality with elimination, eliminate, elimination. So that's what we can see. And right now we can learn with the different method, border count method. So as we can see it, let me copy that one again for the second so we can see this. And a product count method requires that the vote claim candidates have an order from the most favorites to the least favorable. Each place will award a set amount of the point their candidates receive the most point to win the election. So, for instance, if the four candidate elects often a fourth place vote. So the fourth place vote was 1 point. Third place vote is 2 points. Second place vote is 3 points, and the first place vote is 4 points. So as we can see, this one they put us already. So for the first place, par, the first place, so par is 220, and the third place, for the first one, um, what we looking here. So the third place is 0. No, the second place. So the second place right here. So par, second place we have 0. And the third place, par, is the first one, 20. That's it. And the third, and the second, let me see. So the second place, any par? No par. That's 0. The third pay, the third place, so 100 and 150, that's a 200, and the fourth place is 120. So after we done that, so this one is the one we multiply, we add and together. So that's 150 or 1500. And then for the second, for the Rita we got is 1770. So we add all this up. Now for the Sarah, so we can see it. Sarah, um, Sarah for the first. So Sarah was 150. We can see that. So that's one is 150. And for the third, and for the second, no. And for the third, so we see this 220, 120, 220, 120. That is 340. And then one, for the fourth one, so 100. So we have as 1380. So after we add all this up, about 14. So team as the first 120, 100. So that is 220. And for the third one, for the second one, zero. For the third one, as zero. And for the fourth one, 220, 150, that is 370. And we can add them up. So this one, 2250. So as we can see this. So who is win election for voter count? So we can see this. So Rita, because we can compare this. Rita, we have the highest, the most, the higher one. So Rita, so Rita. Now we can see this. So we see the example one. So we back to the example one. Find the winner. Example one. A border method. Assume the time. First place at 5 points. Second place 4 points. Third place 2 points, but not 3 points. So I don't know why they do like that, but that's how the way they set up. And the four is 1 point. So we can see Jimmy. So we have first place 6. So five um 5 points for the first one, 4 points for the second one, 2 points for the third, and 1 point for the fourth. So we add all them up. So Alexa, we do the same thing. Now we can do for Irene. So Irene, the first one, we have 5 and plus the second one as as 4, and the third one 2, and the last one. So we have 5 is 4, right? So 5 is 4. For example one. So 5 is 4. So and then the 4 is 8 and 0 and 18. So we add them up. So for Preston, so Preston is 116. So Preston is the winner. So right here, I can copy this one down for you. You can see this, and so you can see this for more better. So we can copy that one down. And you can see that. Okay. And now we go in for advantage border count. So this one is always a winner. And this one don't need any first place. Vote. Vote to win. Okay. So now for another method. So we can copy this one down right now. One, no, actually this one, not that one, this one, this one, not that one, because we use the first example. We use example number one. So yeah, now we have A, I, P, J. So we have offset. So we have, this one is important. A, I. Remember this. We have to looking for AI, AP, AG, IP, IS, and PJ. So AP, AJ, IP, and IJ, and PJ. So as we can see it for A and I. So for A and I. So for A, first place. So uh, we have this column right here. So for A, so we have A as 5, and the fourth, and the next one for I, the first place, I is 4, and so we have A, and we have this one who win. So this one is 7, and this one at 2, and this one is I, right? So that's I. I is the winner. So it's 8. And this one, that's A, is 4. So this one is 18, and this one is 12. So 18, 12. So this one is A is the winner. So A, about for the AP. So for AP, so A and P. So the first one, A, so 5. And the second one, P, with the 4. And this one, A, with a 7. And this one, A, as a 2. And this one, P, as the 8. And this one, A, as the 4. So as we can see this, so should be A. And this one is 15. So this one is 18, and this one is 12. So as we know that this one is a, and we can see this as the IP. So, oh, AJ. So A, 5, J, 4, A, 7, J, 2, A, 8, J, 4. So A. So this one, and then right now we can run with I and P. So we can see this. P, 5, I, 4, the next one, and P7, P7, and P2, P2, and 8, 8, 8, and, and 4. So this one is the P. And we continue for this, and this one is J, and this one is P. So we have A is 1, 2, 3, 3, and P is 1, J is 1, P is 2. So in here is Alyssa is the winner. So Alyssa is the winner. So we can do the same thing. For example, number 2. Right. For example, number 2. So I can copy this. Example number 2. So I can see this. Okay. So as we can see this again, so we can P, P, R, S. So we have PT, PR, PS, and TR, TS, and RS. So we can do is the same thing again. So we got PT, so PT, so PT, so 220 right here, so P the win, right? And T the win, 120, 120, and 100, and then 150, so 150, and as we know already. So this one is P, right? The winner. So we can say P and R. 220, 120, 100, P 150. So this one is P. Oh, R is wrong. So, okay. So with the R, it's going to be R, R, R. So we should know R is 120, 100, 150. So this one is the R. And then we have PS. PS. So P is 220. This one is 120. 100. And S 150. So this one is 330 and this one 270. So this one is a P, and we can continue to do the same thing. So this one is the R, and this one is the S, and this one is the R. So we have P is 2 times, P is 0, R is 3 times, S is 1. So in here is the Rita is the winner. Rita is the winner. Winner. So Rita is the winner. Okay. So which is I like this method more than another one. Um so we have this. Okay. So the next one um we can have an activity an instructor designed to cover the only the chapter final sample, and that is in her 140, the math 140, 142 class, um, 142 class, and the thread designed to the chapter is the test and final. There is for chapter probability P, finances S, SAS is S, and logic and L, and the student mark uh, reference, their reference. So I can let me fill it in for it. So this one is 43, 30, 29. This one I just give up 26 and 14. So we do not need this. So this one is P F S L F L S P. This one I just give out. So I just make it up as sample. S L F P and L S P S and L S F P. So how many voltage? So how many voltage? So we can add all this one up. If we add all this one up, we can add all this one up. So which is 142. So determine the winner in polarity method. So we have polarity method, and we know something like we have what polarity method. Oh, no, polarity method. Right here, polarity methods. So we have the most polarity is the winner. So right there. So we can have this. So after we indicate everything, so we have P is 43. Remember we add this up already. Where is that? Let me see. No, right here for probability. So probability method. So right here, so we add them up. You see this activity, so we can add all this. See this? That's how we did right here already. So that's how we use this. So P F we got 30 and S we have 29 and L we have 40. So which one is the higher one? So for our the P, right? So P that is the winner. So we can have determine the winner for the elimination. P is the winner in in there is no type. That we can see this, right? So right there. So for this, so we can remember the probability method. So we can use this one of example 4 and plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So we can say 4 is 29. S 4 is 29, right? And 3 is 40. Because this at this. So for 73 and 0. So this one is 382. So in here is S is the winner because you can use this, you can add for the P, F, L, we can add together, but this one is the higher one. So S is the higher one. So it determines the winner pair is you comparisons. So this one we can do this one, right? So P F P F P L and F S and F L. So and the last one is S L. So we can do it the one something like this already. So you know how to do this already. So right here. So since you know how to do this, so I let you figure out for that. But I done already, so I just know for this one it should be F, this one S, this one is L, this one is F, this one is F, this one is F. So F, so F is 3 times, S is 2 times, L is 1 time, P is 0. So we know that S is the winner. So Okay, so we should be done. Thank you very much for everything. And